Hola, Bimba. All right. Gustav, good morning. How are you, mate? Uh, can everybody hear me? I think so. We're good. Damn it. Oh, all right. So today I am looking at the upside on the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. Maybe the Dow. All right. Maybe the Dow. And today we're going to have good speed Freeman live on the show. If he joins us, of course. All right, so pretty cool setup brewing on the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. Let's have a look. Exchange. Right. So we had a breakout of the. Woo! We have a breakout of the London Open, of the London session highs, right? Hello, Gio. How are you, mate? We have a breakout of the Asian session highs. Then let's see if we are at discount or not. Um, Remember that equilibrium here? No. So here's my equilibrium line, right? That's the 50% of the move. It's quite simple. We don't take buys above the equilibrium, and we don't take sales below the equilibrium. Um, uh, right here. Let's have a look at that. So here's the Dow Jones Industrial Average, looking very good. I mean, the Dow is much better. Let's have a look at this. Now, the Dow, my friends, is at equilibrium at the moment. Good day, Juan. How are you? The Dow is at equilibrium. We do have a fair value gap here. I'm taking the Dow. I'm taking the Dow short longs. I'm sorry. This is a much better setup. So we have an imbalance here. Pretty simple, right? A good imbalance here. Oh boy. We have a good imbalance here. Then we have the liquidity, still untapped liquidity, boom, right here. God damn it! What a shame on those Poundian shorts, mate. Got stopped out by 3 points, 3 pips. What is this? This is liquidity. Now, where is that order block? Let's go to a 3-minute chart. Much better on the 3-minute chart. Uh, Imbalance liquidity. Just going to use the 3-minute chart. We do have that imbalance on the 3-minute chart, big ass imbalance. So here's my equilibrium. We are at that imbalance. We do have that order block here. So I'm going to enter at my power buy zone, my bullish OB. There you go. And my structure lows are these lows right here. Here are my fucking structure lows. Now, where am I going to enter this? Let's have a look at the entire move. Just to find a power buy and sell zone. Power zone. Right, so I'm going to enter right here above. I do want to get filled on my position, right? So I am, you know what? I'm going to do something that I've never done before. So I'm going, oh shit. Right here. Let's find that pullback, 50% pullback. The equilibrium here. Right there. So I am going to be entering at the 33372. Right. Market watch US 30. Let's trade the US 30 for fuck's sakes. US 30 on the 5 minutes. Is this the US 30 Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? US 30. So, I wish I had the same charts on TradingView as I have on here. So, 3-3. I'm going to calculate it. Hold on. I'm calculating it on my MT4, guys. And we do have time. We have 7 minutes until the market opens. So here's my trade. I am going to enter right here. Let me just delete this and add this. My stop loss are below the structure low. And I am going to target, let's have a look at the 15 minute. I mean, we are very, just have a look at this, right? On the 30-minute chart, just positioning myself, maybe targeting this liquidity right here on the 30-minute chart, right? This seems like a good target on the 30-minute chart. So here we go. Targeting this. And this is the thing, guys. I mean, we've coming from a very strong up move, right? So we do want to get filled on the breakout of this trade, right? So here we go. That's a 9R. 9R. A 9R. Now we have similar setup on the S&P 500. If the Dow doesn't work, we're going to go to the US 100. I mean, the US 100 or the S&P 500. Now let me just. Yo, I have allergies, mate. I have allergies, Gio. I'm not sick. All right, so let me calculate my sizing. On this fucking trade. Right, so I want to enter right here on the trading. Oh boy, and my stop loss is at the 33. All right, hold on. What is it here? 33, 33, 3, 33, 3, 50, 57. All right. So I am going to risk 0.5% on this trade too. Maybe that was a little bit too excessive. I could most definitely place my stop losses below this low, but I don't think that that's necessary. In the sense that we do have that, and right now liquidity is building up, so this is fine. Just right here, liquidity is building up, so everything is setting up for a good liquidity sweep entry on the Dow, right? And my target, hold on, let me see here. My target on the hourly chart should be 30-minute chart. I said the 30, 33580. 33580, right? Boom. So this is what it looks like on my MT4. The order has been placed. Hold on. I need to modify my position size a little bit. I'm going a little bit too big. A little bit too big. 0.04, I guess. I was going a little bit too big. Yep. So this is what it looks like on my MT4. MT5. Yep. So let's wait for the open, guys. This shall be fun. Liquidity sweep, everything is looking phenomenal. Oh, I need to send this to my VIPs. Hold on. What about Bitcoin? Is it a good time for entry? We're going to have a look at Bitcoin, but not right now, mate. When you open a trade with 0.5%, do you risk the full 0.5%? This is something that confuses me, to be honest, when people go on about risk management. If I say, oh shite, if I say that I'm risking 0.5%, the market just opened, there you go. The market just opened, there you go. Liquidity sweep, come on, fill us in, baby. Oh shit, I need to send this to my VIPs, hold on. Hold on, Dio. Liquidity, what the hell? Oh boy. The S&P 500 is strong. No, the Nasdaq is strong. S&P 500, let's have a look. S&P 500 is going to sweep those lows again. If I don't get filled on my Dow, I'm going to go with the liquidity sweep on the S&P 500 here at the 40.48. So I'm not trading the Nasdaq. There you go. There you go, Dow Jones. Come on, baby. You have to sweep that liquidity, right? There's that imbalance. Oh boy. Oh man. All right. An hour or so. There, we have it on the VIP. Godspeed Freeman. My 1 minute chart, guys. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. That's a good coffee. Damn it. Looks like I won't get filled, guys, on that. On that trade. On this trade. Looks like I missed it. Well, you know what? Doesn't look like I've missed it yet. Right, but yeah, it looks like I missed it. To be honest with you, yeah, I missed it. That's a shame. We do still have those gold from Friday running on the VIP group. Right, I'm going to keep my order, my pending order. I just want to see what happens here. Very possibly we're going to get, very possibly, no, not very possibly, but this could, no, this is so way too strong. So that was a miss. Relax, Hobie. Fuck. I said it on the wrong group. There you go. Listen, Chidera, or whatever your name is. What the hell is wrong with you, man? You need to relax. So I'm still gonna keep this order live. I'm going to be monitoring for the S&P. I'm going to place an S&P 500 order too. Listen, guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place an S&P 500 order right now. If I get filled on the S&P 500, I am most definitely going to. If I get filled on the S&P 500 order, I'm most definitely going to, delete the order on the toolbox. I'm definitely deleting the order on, the Dow. So, placing S&P 500s. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Oh, the Nasdaq looking beautiful. So, placing an order on the Nasdaq. Placing an order on the Nasdaq. What do you guys see? What I see is this. I see liquidity building up here. Good. I see a beautiful bullish order block here. Good. Right here. Good. And I see an imbalance here. Good. Right. There you go. So this is liquidity. Weak players. I'm going to look at the Dow here. The Dow, still looking for those pullbacks on the Dow. Nasdaq long. Beautiful. So here is that imbalance and my bullish order block right here. Unmitigated, may I say, bullish OB. So that's a good thing. Unmitigated. So, and my structure low here. Boom. Here's my structure low. So, very good setup. I'm going to place it. Come on, baby. Don't do me dirty. Placing it now. Just below the liquidity. Trading buy limit. My stop loss would be at the 12.323. 12.323. 12.323. Modify. So risking too little. Modify order. Pending order. Place. Boom. Shite. Too little. Modify order. Place. Shite. Just a second, guys, please. Give me just 1 second, guys. Pending order. For fuck's sakes. Just a second. And the X should be all right. So I placed my order on the Nasdaq. Of course, this is it. Long position here, just at the feel of the imbalance, just below that liquidity here. Taking my stop losses here. My first targets, of course, at the high of the move for 5R, but I shall be targeting some other stuff. All right, let's have a look at the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 30-minute chart. 12.4. Let's see, targeting this high is about 12.4, 12.415 or so. So that gives me I don't know what the hell is wrong with my MT5. Give me just a second, guys. Oh, hold on. My gardener is here and there's a ton of noise. Hold on. Oh, well, that didn't help much. Good morning, team. So, Godspeed Freeman. I'm gonna send you the link to join me in just a second. Let me just send this to my VIPs. All right, still holding those buys on the Nasdaq and on the on the Dow. So I'm going to send this to my VIPs too. And my target's out of the 12,400 or something like this. So it's an 8.5 R. All right. All right, so that's what I have going on for the moment. Still holding my gold longs, guys, and pretty much that's it. So are you here, Godspeed Freeman, or not? I'm going to just please respond, because if you're not here, well, I'm not going to create the link, etc. Right? This Nasdaq long is looking very good. We need to be patient to see if we get filled on this one or not. Because what I dig about this is that this spike low right here did not break with that liquidity spot, right? So let's wait and see what happens. Yeah. Awesome, Godspeed Freeman. So you think Nasdaq is going to hit the entry price and then go up? That's my setup, mate. That's my setup. Does it matter what I think? Now, there's a couple of things here. Now, let's have a look at equilibrium. We are looking at above equilibrium, but if we look at the actual move, from the structure, most definitely below equilibrium. So, markets are going down at the moment. So let's wait and see what happens, guys. If I get stopped out on this Nasdaq, all right, so this is my plan. This is why I only reached 0.5%. If I get stopped out here, I am going to do a play lower around the Asian session mid, which has been at a pivot point. But you know what? I'm good. There you go. About to get filled on that Nasdaq long. So let me just create the videos here for my VIPs. Just a second, guys. So here was my entry. Yes, this was my entry. That's Sean Connery. Yes. 30-minute chart. Oh no. 1-minute chart. And then looking at this. Boom. So I'm going to record that video for my VRPs. Just give me a fucking second. And then I'll be with you, Godspeed Freeman. Boom. Come on. Triggered Nasdaq long. I just got triggered Nasdaq long, guys. Deleting triggered Nasdaq long. And so I'm deleting the Dow trade. Yes, Gio, of course I will, mate. Sorry about that. Yeah. I just got triggered Nasdaq long, mate. So I am going to record the video, then I'll be with you, Godspeed Freeman. Yeah. I got triggered here, so I was targeting long position here. I got triggered here at the mitigation of this bullish order block. Then my target's all the way out there. Right. I'm going to start taking profits. I don't know. If the trade routes in my direction, that's it. That's if, right? You understand at 1240 or so, something like this. There you go. There is an enormous difference in pricing, from my MT5 to what not in pricing, but in time of the move. Very, very weird on the Nasdaq, right? So, here you go. I'm going to record this for my VIPs, and then we will have Mr. Godspeed Freeman on the show, an OG of the show. That's right. Let's have a look on the Nasdaq. Beautiful OB. Boom. There you go. There you go. There you go. So I'm running at about 0.5, 0.6% in profits. I am, however, going to let it run a little bit. I'm not going to get too eager to get my R at the moment. I'm not going to get too eager to get my R at the moment. I am, however, going to let it ride. What do you guys think about this trade, mate? Yeah, I'm going to get my R at the moment. I'm going to close right now 0.6%. No, I can't anymore. I'm not going to close it. I'm going to most likely because my trade was running, hold on, my trade was running at 1.5 R. My rule is that at 1.5 R, I take 1 R off, right? So I am going to take 1 R off the table right now. Good trade, guys. 1 R off the table, closing 0 points. Ah, boy, I can't anymore because I was talking to you. Well, you know, that's fine. I'm still letting it ride. All right, there you go. Closing 1 R. Closing 1 R at around closing. I will be closing 0.60% of my trade around now. Yeah, I'll close it now. Boom, closing 0.6% of my trade now. Moving stop losses to break even. Boom. I'm sending this to my VIPs. Closing 0.60% of my trade here for 1 R and moving stop loss to break even. There you go. That's how we do it. That's easy. That's just how we do it. And yeah, you are more than welcome to join us. So I took my hold on, guys. Edit. So I'm good. We made money on the Nasdaq. If you're not part of my VIP group, congratulations on the free money. Now let's just let it. Ride. To me, the most important thing is take that 1 R off the table whenever I can, right? To get that real risk-free trade. Because to me, moving stop losses to break even is not having a risk-free trade, right? Because you were already risking 1 R. But if you take 1 R off the table, then you have a real risk-free trade. All right, so Godspeed Freeman, I'm creating the Google Meet for you, and we shall have a fucking conversation. So now my trade is truly risk-free. Well, I made back with the 1 R that I lost on the pound yen, so I'm breaking even on the day, which is a good thing after having a loss, right? But with running, I have this. I have running Nasdaq longs and running. Oh, I haven't deleted this. Delete. And a running gold long, right? Hold on. Oh, gold. And I have a running gold long with the VIPs. What the fuck? There you go. And I have a running gold long with the VIPs. So here's the thing. Here is where I took 1 R off the table with the VIPs, and I'm letting it run all the way here, right? And here's where I took 1.5% profit with the VIP swing trading group, and we're letting that ride to all-time highs with the swing trading group. So if you want to be part of what we do, man, if you want to be part of what we do, I'm going to give you the link, because I'm pretty confident that you're going to like our fucking VIP. So, hold on. And it's a good thing we have. I'm so confident in what we do, mate, that we have a risk-free policy in the sense that you have 30 days to try us out. And if you don't like what you see, you can ask for your money back, and we will just remove you from the group. No harm done. No fucking harm done. Also, mates, I would really appreciate I would really, really, really appreciate. I mean, if that is, if you like my shows, right? If you like my shows, um, leave me a review on my shows here. I would really, really, really appreciate it. You know, I give you free money every time I go live. The least thing you could fucking do is leave me a comment on it, right? I don't charge anything. I don't charge you anything. I mean, I don't charge for these shows. There are other companies that charge money for their live shows. I don't do that. I do this for free for everybody because I believe in trading education, right? If you just want to get my signals, just subscribe to my VIP group and you'll get my signals. But you know, if you want to learn what I do and how I do it, mates, I mean, there and do it for free. There is no other way to. There's the only way to do it is through my shows. So I would really appreciate a review on that. Now, Godspeed Freeman, let's go for you. Hold on, I need to go get my charger because my phone is dying, and I need to send you the link through Instagram. Ángela, si está un poquito raro el café, me regala tu taza, porfa. No, tráigame media tacita, porfa.
¿Media taza?
Ajá, media taza con la mitad de mora y una bolsita de stevia. Sorry, mates. I was asking for my housekeeper for a cup of coffee. Yeah. So, hold on. Hold your fucking horses. Mimi, what broker? The broker is 8 cap, mate. The broker is 8 cap, so I can follow the signals more accurately. 8 fucking cap. So I'm going to go ahead and do just that. I might just here you go. So there's a ton of selling pressure here, of course, but after this liquidity strip, you know, oh boy, I don't know what's going to happen, right? But we already made money. Gracias. Ay, mire la tacita de flores me trajo. All right, everybody. Good morning. So on the U.S. Open, we had this setup on the Nasdaq. On the mitigation of that order block and the sweep of all of that fucking liquidity at the lows, we got triggered like always and already took 1 hour off the table and we are running on a free trade. Here's my MT5. Here's the trade on my MT5. We took 1 hour here, move stops to break even. Look at that, spot on the buy again. And now we're just waiting for the break of the U.S. session highs. Let's see if buyers are able to do it. All right, so that was just I was creating a story for Instagram, you know. So That's it. I'm creating the Google Meet link at the moment. Godspeed for Raymond. So hold on. Uh-huh. Okay. So no need to use camera, mate. This is a phone call. Uh, but you will have to use your fucking audio. Okay, so hold on. I just created the link and I'm sending it to you via copiar. I am sending it to you via Instagram, mate, right now. There. Yeah, it's sent. It has been sent. It has been sent just now. Come on. Looking at the Nasdaq right now, creating these new lows. Um, let's try to get all. Let's try to get all of this. You know, taken out. Try to get all of this liquidity get taken out, man. I don't know who's trying to short the Nasdaq here, but whoever's trying to short the Nasdaq is doing a poor fucking job at the moment. This is very bullish. Oh fuck, this coffee is super hot. Hey, how are you, mate?
What's up, brother?
What's up, Godspeed Freeman? How are you, mate?
What's up? I'm doing excellent.
Nice to meet you. Sorry
Nice
that
to meet
I
you.
don't have a camera, mate. I
Oh,
use my iPhone as a webcam, and
uh-huh.
it had no charge, right? So I didn't use it for my live show. But how are you, mate? Nice to see you.
Man, I'm doing great.
You are fucking OG on my shows. That's
Yeah, I
right.
love it, man. I love it. VIP's on fire.
Awesome, awesome. So,
Yeah.
I really wanted to talk to you because you are a real OG on my shows. I mean, you've been here
Right.
for a long
Yeah,
time. How
I
can?
have. I've been here for a couple of years now, it seems. I think. I
Yeah,
started,
amazing, amazing. And how do you
yeah.
feel? We've evolved, or myself, our trading. I mean, if you've been with us for a couple of years, you personally have seen how my trading has evolved.
Yes, I have. Yeah, it's been amazing. I mean, I'm very proud to be here with people that like to evolve, right, and not stay stagnant, and be open minded and try new strategies. And um, it takes a lot to commit. There's so much time involved to to be a good trader.
Yeah,
So it's nice to be here. Nice to
I
be here and see that.
definitely agree with you. I mean, this takes a ton of time and dedication. It takes a ton of dedication, just to be on, try to be on the top, right, of this industry, because it's an ever evolving game, right? So you have to evolve yourself around it because if you just keep on doing the same old thing without studying what you're doing, studying the market, etc., you're going to be get eaten. You're going to become the little fish in the sea. So
Right.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's why
Yeah. And for us, I was new when I jumped on here. And so I still feel new, right? It takes a long time, I think, to be a real veteran. But thank you for calling me a veteran of the show. I mean, I've been here for a couple of years. I'm dedicated to the show for that same reason because
awesome. Yeah, I
It's
mean,
it's a very intelligent show. It's not just we're trying to take your money, get us on your VIP. It's
no.
you're showing us the information behind what you're doing. So I like that in the VIP in the Telegram how you show us the thought process. I think
Yeah,
that's
that's it. I
priceless.
mean, that's the whole idea behind it, right? Because you could most definitely just blindly follow my signals, right? But also there you go, that boom. Look at that spike high on the Nasdaq. I am going to take more of the table. Hold on, I'm going to take more
Good
of
for
the
you.
table, taking 0.75 of the rest on the rest of my position here for about one extra R. Uh, right now, right now, boom, an extra R on the table. So now, hold on, let me just on my VAPs. Now I'm making money today, closing 0.75% on the rest of my US 100 longs here for an extra 1R, letting the rest ride. Boom, 1R. Now I'm positive all the day. Hold on, I need to take a screenshot on this because you know social fucking media.
Yeah, I think this has a good chance of hitting your
Oh
target
yeah,
of the
most
12,400.
definitely, most definitely. I mean, yeah, like I told you, I don't know. I mean, whoever is trying to short the Nasdaq or U.S. equities at these levels, right, and just doing a poor job, um, because this is super strong, right?
It is super strong. I'm looking at the Fibonacci on Smart Trader, um, and it looks like it's going to pump up. It's going to keep doing that. So you're headed in the right direction.
Yeah, I think so too. So right now, if I get stopped out on the rest of my position, and have a look at what happened here. Have a look at what happened here. Boom, we got that liquidity sweep on at or the sweep of the um, U.S. session highs. And there you go. We are moving in the right direction, mate. This is a good thing. So now I can most definitely just let that that trade run. Most definitely looks like Mimi. Sos un crack, hermano. Bueno, hermanito. Usted sabe cuando está con lo grande, ¿verdad? Y aquí quédese con lo grande, papi. Yeah. So, yeah. So I mean, that's the whole idea behind what I do, right? That's the whole idea behind what I do. I want. I mean, I believe that there is enough money in these markets. For everybody to fucking profit, to make bank, right? I mean, we're trading the most liquid markets in the world. This is really scalable. This is not like trading penny stocks that it's that the or even stocks sometimes that the liquidity is capped to a certain amount of stocks available, right? No, this is the most
Mm.
liquid markets in the world, and if you trade really, really, really
Conservative.
no, Hussein asking me to take oil. No, mate, I'm done for the day. I made money today. I am done. So, like I was saying, and for example, if you trade really, really, really big, if you have a really big account, right?
Hmm.
Maybe there's going to be a cap and you want to trade the US 100, right? Maybe there's going to be a cap on the amount of lots that you can trade at once with your broker. but you can open the two 100 lot position, etc. So the liquidity is basically infinite here.
Yeah, yeah, it
And
is.
where I was going is that there is enough money here for everybody to make bank, for everybody to possibly make a living of trading, right? Um, we are.
That's my goal right there. I want to do this full time. I want to be a professional trader, which is why I follow you. Um, yeah,
All right. So, I mean,
that's
if
my
that is your
plan.
goal, I believe that you're in the
It
right
is.
place because I believe that I have the right mindset to do just that. And the goal
Mm-hmm.
here, mate, I mean, being a professional trader is
Hmm.
not being in front of your chart the entire day because, I mean, if you were to be a professional trader, but you will, I mean, but you spend the entire day in front of your chart, I mean, you might as well stick to your office job, right? The goal here is to do
Right.
what I do, you know, trade the Open, trade the London Open, trade the
Hmm.
New York Open, and then
Hmm.
quit for your day and go the fuck on about your day and do whatever you want. The
Mm.
goal here is
Nice.
freedom. Freedom. I
Hmm.
mean, if you notice, all the VIP groups, right? I only send trades at specific hours of the day because the rest of the day I'm doing whatever I want. I'm doing
Mm.
whatever the fuck I want, and that's the goal here, man. That's the goal.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
it
the
is.
goal,
It is
and
cool.
it can be done because, for example, right, I'm not going to check any other markets today. I already made money. You know, I lost 1 hour at the London Open on my pound yen short, which was a fucking shame because it hit my stop loss by 3 pips and then moved down 50 fucking pips. So I'm gonna show it. Uh huh.
I love when that happens.
Yeah, I mean, god damn it, I'm gonna show everybody what happened here because I
Oh
mean,
man.
it's insane. Um, but you know what? In hindsight, there's a couple of things I could have done better. But I
See, I
mean,
have a feeling that's what's going to
you
happen here
know,
with the
but
US 100.
listen, but the trade was really not bad, right? I got stopped
Hmm.
out here. Maybe my stop losses were too tight by 3 pips. So next time I'm
Okay.
going to account for that, and I'm going to give it 5 more pips above my
Right.
my above my my structure high in this case.
Hmm.
But that's fine. I mean, that's
Yeah.
fine. I made money today, and past trades don't affect my future decisions at all,
Hmm. Hmm.
and that is how it's supposed to be. So I mean, yeah, I mean, that's the goal. And when I first started, again, I say it there's a ton of, I mean, at different times, that I used to look at 50 markets, and I used to spend, countless hours in front of my chart looking for trades. I would jump
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
everything that I saw, but you know, when real professional traders tell you that less is more, that's true.
Yeah.
I mean, that's true.
Yeah.
Why would
That is
I
true.
mean making money in the market, making money in the fucking markets is super hard, right?
Yeah.
Winning a trade is not that hard, but making money long term is super hard. And discipline is what's going to keep you one in this game, and what's going to keep you consistent, right? For
Hmm.
example, why would I look for a trade now just to possibly give back um, what I made today? No, fuck that. I'm going to
Hmm.
take that money and I'm going to do the same fucking thing tomorrow, right? So
Right.
that's
Yeah.
that's the whole idea behind it. Now I'm gonna go to the gym, maybe but
Nice. There you go.
yeah, I'm going. I'm gonna go to the gym. Then maybe I'll go to the park with my dog. Freedom
There
is
you go. There you
freedom is
go.
what this is all about, and having a life of outside trading, right? So I
Hmm.
mean, and
Hmm.
everybody can do it. I mean, this is not. I mean, I am not, yeah, the Adele of trading, in the sense that, yeah, I
The
know,
Dow.
in the sense that I wasn't born with a talent, mate. This is a fucking skill that anybody can fucking learn, right? You just need
Right.
to,
Yeah, you're right. It is a skill that anybody can learn. You're right. I took upon this and I just, man, I loved it. I love everything about the formations of the structures. You got to get really into this.
yeah,
You got to get
definitely.
really into
You
this.
most
Yeah.
definitely have to. So, hold on. I'm going to close the entire Nasdaq
Oh, there it
longs
goes. There it goes.
here.
It's about
I
to hit
am,
12,400.
yeah, I'm going to close. Oh boy, this is super strong.
Oh, I hit 12,400.
Yeah, 12400 has
12,401,
been hit.
12,402, 12,44. Wow.
Boom. There you go.
12,407. Wow. Very impressive.
There you go. So, why would I go? Why would somebody want to go short here?
12,408.
I don't fucking know. Well, that's just some bad trading decisions. Right. So there you go. Closing my entire position here. Boom. And I ended up making in this particular position 1.5% profit. So that's a 1.5% profit, mate.
According to the Fibonacci, it retraced to the 786. So it should be going all the way back up to about 13,250.
Yeah, I know that, but and it could, but
Wow.
hold on, but let me just
But we're too late because it's halfway there.
yeah,
But yeah, like you said, it's a strong move. I feel like it's going to come back to the 12,250 now and then make that jump. But I don't know.
yeah. Just a second.
This US 100 can really make
BP
nice
Japanese yen,
profits.
short loss.
Oh, wow, it took off. There it goes.
Yeah. So what you say is I can. I mean, it can happen most definitely, but um, the thing is that this move has been very clean. So I'm
Yeah.
not. I mean,
Too
I
clean,
don't
huh?
wanna. I wouldn't want to take on a deep pullback before the continuation. So yeah, 12.4, So yeah, I mean, this is basically what's what's going on here in
Wow.
my mind, right?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, because before, what I would have done here, what I would
Hmm.
have done here is I would have put my, of course I would have done this on the 50-minute chart or so, whatever. I would
Hmm.
have put my, you know what, I'm gonna go to the 1 minute, 5 minute chart. I would have put, my some buy stops here above the highs, or right here above the highs, and I would have
Hmm.
put my stop losses here. But that would have given me a to current prices a 1.5 R instead of the 8 to 9 R that we traded. So what I realized is and more importantly, I would have been stopped out on this trade. Let me show you. I'm going to delete everything. Hold on. I would have been stopped out on this trade. Why? Because I would have been looking at price action here, possibly here, right? And I would maybe here. I would have put my buy stops here and my stop losses here, right? So
Hmm.
what would have happened? What would have happened is this. Ah, shit. Hold on. Here. So what would have happened is, where is here? is this. Boom. I would have been stopped out there just to see the move run. And that used to happen constantly when I was trading breakouts with stop orders, right? I don't fucking use stop orders anymore. They suck. They fucking suck. So I went to the lab mate, because shit. I can't keep on trading something that is not making me fucking money, right? So I went
Right.
to the
Right.
lab, and I realized that I was being the liquidity because I wasn't spotting the liquidity. So my stop losses were here, right? And I was being the liquidity. And then when I started to realize this, how beautiful and how consistent these entries happen, yeah, I came to realize that and started trading liquidity sweeps, and that's it. That's my story. But you know what? But that's the idea, man, to make
Is that
money.
when you created the F1 strategy?
Well, the F1 strategy, I started working. The F1 strategy is an amazing strategy, right?
Yeah.
It's really powerful, and people that trade it, I traded too. Today, I didn't find any F1 strategy setups. That's why I haven't talked about it today. There wasn't. There was no setups, and because the F1 strategy is a breakout strategy that focuses on strong markets, right? And we use divergence on this oscillator to pinpoint our entries. Now, today there was not. This is gold, by the way. Today there was not an F1 strategy setup. There could have been here, but it was invalidated. And the cool thing, and I wouldn't have taken it because the F1 strategy gives you the targets to the upside and the downside with these lines, right? So the stop loss would have, and it gives you the stop losses, with these orange lines, right? Here is what this would have looked like, but I wouldn't have taken it because of the low risk to reward ratio and because there was no divergence at all. And when there's no divergence in the F1 strategy, and this oscillator is not the stochastics, is a very specific oscillator with a very specific set of parameters that I'm not going to share, of course, but the and I'm also not going to share where is that we look for actual divergence, but having those rules keeps you out of bad trades because this if you only follow by technicals you would have been stopped out, but I didn't take that trade because a few rules, right? But it's a very powerful strategy again, and and um,
Wow.
and what I was going to tell you is that yeah, it took me a year to build because I knew that what I was looking for. I knew what I was looking for, and I knew exactly what I wanted. But again, to build a profitable trading strategy or a semi-automated trading system, right, takes a ton of time because you start building it up, but then whilst you are back testing and forward testing it, right, you realize that it's not optimal, that maybe it's not making money, so you need to tweak a ton of things, develop those
Right.
rules and optimize it until you have a good enough sample size that and you need to and after that you need to live trade it yourself, right?
Right. Right. Yeah.
Yeah, and journal it before releasing it. So that's why it takes a ton
Right.
of time.
Right.
That is
Yeah.
what
No,
it takes
well,
a ton of time. All
definitely
right.
worth it.
So everybody, please, if you enjoyed, we're not done. Godspeed Freeman. Hold on, we're not done. I'm just reminding everybody that they should fucking give me a review of my shows because of the free money.
Yeah,
Here,
you should get at least a few
at
thumbs
least,
up.
yeah, at least a thumbs up, right? But if you can manage to grab 2 minutes out of your precious fucking time to leave me a review on my shows, I would really appreciate it.
Definitely.
Yeah. So yeah, and where are you based, mate?
Yeah, I'm in Las Vegas. I've been here since I was about 15. I grew up in California, but I'm
Oh,
from Colombia. I'm
so
originally
colombiano,
from
culero.
California. What's that?
Ah,
I'm
you don't
from
speak
Colombia.
Spanish?
Sí, yo hablo español, soy de Bogotá. Toda mi familia es de Bogotá.
Toda tu familia es de Bogotá. Fíjate que yo no conozco Sudamérica, nunca he ido a Sudamérica, entonces, pero
Ahorita va a
bien.
ir mi niña, de pronto vamos este año,
Ajá.
pero mi niña sí va a ir. Mis abuelitos se regresaron no hace mucho, hace un par de años, y mi
Ajá.
abuelito se nos fue, quedó mi abuelita sola,
Ah,
entonces va la familia a visitar.
no jodas. Pero toda tu familia. You know what? Let's do it in English because people are not going to understand us. So,
Right, right,
si
right,
empezamos
right,
a hablar
right.
en español, si empezamos a hablar en español, nadie nos va a entender, cabrón.
So yeah, I'm from Colombia, but I live in Las Vegas. I grew up here since I was 15. But I grew up in California mostly since I was 5. So for the first years of my life, I was in Colombia. It's a long story, but yeah. So I've been in Las Vegas. I'm considered a local now.
Ah, you're considered local in Las Vegas because I mean, I went to Las Vegas the year before where when in December there was a big UFC fight. I went there for the UFC.
Oh, okay, nice. Right, right. Very cool.
Yeah, and
Yeah, a lot of
I
cool stuff
saw
out here.
that locals take being a local really, really, really strongly.
Well,
You know.
well, we get a lot of discounts, because if you show your local ID, a lot of places will give you a discount. And a lot of the locals work, at the casinos.
Yeah, they
So
work
then
at the
they
casinos.
expect,
And the same
yeah,
thing is that I mean I've been to the Las Vegas suburbs. All the windows are tainted because they sleep during the
right.
day.
Yeah. Yeah, we get that summer and it beats you down.
Uh
It's
huh.
pretty intense the
But it's a
summer, and it
great
runs
place.
for.
I mean Las Vegas. I
Yeah,
loved
it
it.
is.
That's the only time that I've been there.
Hmm.
Like 3, 4 years ago, I was supposed to go on one of my boys, one of my best friends' bachelor party, but I missed it because
Mm.
I had a training retreat in Bali. So
For what? For trading or?
yeah,
Oh wow.
yeah, I had some meetings to go to, so I missed it.
Okay.
But yeah, but then I went to Las Vegas, and yeah, it's an
Yeah.
amazing place. I went with my old man. My old man is a fucking UFC fanboy. But when I say he's a fanboy, every fucking weekend he schedules his weekend around UFC fights. Right? So if I mean
Wow.
if I were to take him to the beach for for overnight from Saturday to Sunday, he would.
Yeah.
I mean, first of all, he would ask me if we were going to an Airbnb or a hotel, and he
Hmm.
would call. He would try. I mean, if we were going to a hotel, he would call the hotel just to see if they have enough internet bandwidth to stream his fucking fights. So yeah, so so when I saw that, I mean, because we were in San Francisco, right? At the
Yeah.
time, my brothers live in San Francisco,
Hmm.
so we go spend New Year's every year with them. So we were in San Francisco, and when I saw that there was a UFC in Las Vegas, I could not help myself but to take my dad, you know, uh,
That's cool.
yeah, to watch his fucking fights. I am. I
Nice.
mean, I am a fan. But
Yeah.
my sport is boxing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I dig boxing a ton. I mean, and you know what? My dad made me a boxing fan but now he hates it. He only watches fucking UFC.
That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That they have that one guy that crossed over from boxing to UFC. I think
Yeah.
what's his name? McGregor.
No, McGregor.
Is that
Well,
his
I mean,
name?
he didn't cross from boxing to UFC, but yeah, I don't remember either. But there's a couple of guys that have done that, and there's one
Yeah.
girl. She's I mean, she won the belt for world champion. Actually, after just a couple of fights on the UFC coming from boxing, and he won it
Hmm.
with a fucking kick to the head. So, I mean, she's good. But a boxer winning with a knockout by kick on the head is unheard of. But you know what? That's cool.
Right.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
listen,
It
Godspeed,
looks
Freeman.
cool because
I
they
really have to
swing, they
go
kick.
now. I really have to
Okay,
go.
brother.
It was really nice talking
All
to
right.
you, mate.
Yeah.
You
Nice
know,
talking to you.
I am go and you know my mouse battery just died. So
Okay, brother.
hold
Thank
on.
you for giving me your
I don't
time.
know how I'm going to end this call. Shit. I'm going to leak the battery. Hold on. That always fucking works. Leaking the battery. All right. So here we go.
God bless you, brother. You take care of yourself.
Yeah. Take care of yourself, my friend. And you know what? Keep on hustling because this is absolutely fucking possible, mate.
Definitely. That's why I'm here and I'm going to stick with it. Thank you so
All
much
right,
for your
brother.
time
Take
today.
care.
All right.
Cheers. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me on my show. Don't forget to leave me a comment, man. Eric Jones, long time no see. I bowed out because of emotional trading. Back now and determined to succeed. Can you recommend a good position size calculator that includes risk percentage? Thank you. Of course that I can. I am not. I am not being paid by this company, but I believe it's the fucking best one in the market. It's called riskcalculator.app. It has everything that you want, and it's only 10 bucks a month. It's only 10 bucks a month. So there you go, riskcalculator.app. So everybody, thank you for joining me again on my show. I really appreciate it. You know, I'm done for the day. Made money, you made money, everybody made money. Leave me a fucking comment, right? I mean, on Trustpilot. I gave you the link twice. You know, that's the least you can do with because I don't charge you for this, and I should. Cheers.